So how to make a perfect kitchen organizer. So you're going to need a rack. Is this a rack? Oh, then you can store your eggs. Voila, that's actually amazing. Cookie dough presser. Wow, we have a perfectly shaped cookie. So what is this? Wow, a dishwasher. That is actually impressive. Whoa, a quick noodle hack. Wow, we have chocolate milk. Oh, this is like that thing that kind of make things look slushy. Wow, these are brilliant. We have burger.